Hi! Today I want to show you how to work with the bead stairs. We're going to go from counting to multiplication, and we're going to start with building the stairs. Always look for the smallest or shortest beads. Incidentally, you're building them from 1 to 10, but at this point it's just a sensorial activity and all about sorting the sizes and making the pretty pattern. You can download our free bead printable from our subscriber library. I'll post the link in the comments. To count, you want to do a 3-period lesson. Take 3 beads, say their names, and mix them up. You can watch our 3-period lesson video later. The next step is the teens. That's numbers 11 to 19. Take 3 10 beads and add some unit beads. You're going to do a 3-period lesson. This is 10 and 9, 10 and 1, 10 and 5. And carry on like that with the rest. Here we have 10 and 4, 10 and 8, 10 and 3. For the next set you could use 10 and 5, 10 and 2, 10 and 6, and then you've gone through 11 to 19. We say the place value instead of the number name because it's more concrete. Same with the tens, the numbers from 11 to 99. Make different numbers of tens with different numbers of units and repeat a 3-period lesson. In this case, I've demonstrated it with 2 tens and 1, 3 tens and 9, and 4 tens and 6. Adding with the bead stairs is just as easy. Simply take 2 different or the same beads and count them up. In this case, we've taken 4 and 5, and together they make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can also try 3 and 1, and together they make 1, 2, 3, 4. The possibilities are endless, and your child will love figuring out the different combinations. Now, another application of addition is the bonds of a number. In this case, the bonds of 10. Pick a 10, pick a different beads, and see how many are missing. Which 2 beads make the same as 10? There we go. And you can even carry on. Take another bead, put it down, and check again. It's not that one. There we go. 7 and 3 make 10, and those are the bonds. Did you know that multiplication is just an extension of addition? Watch here. We'll take 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. We've taken 4 times, and that will make, let's count it up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there you have it. That's how you use the bead stairs. Thanks for watching.